All right, y'all. Welcome to Bryce Miller Fishing. Not on the boat today. Just gonna do some bank fishing just right here. Got poles, got cast net that I'm gonna need to get some bait because I don't have any bait. So let's go do that. Let's go get some bait. Well, it took a little longer to get bait than I thought it would, but I do have a couple shad in the net. They're not very big, but they're big enough. Put these rod holders in, get the lines out, and all right, maybe that mud is not as muddy as I thought it was, but and get some baits out and hopefully get some cats on the bank. Gonna try at least. I was afraid that would happen. Just putting these shad on and then pinching the back end off. Could cut it too, I guess, but it'd actually make more sense. But I'm just too lazy to go get my knife, so I'm just gonna thread them through the nose, pinch the back end off. Not convinced that those baits are gonna stay still with the current, so may need to put some more weight on, but we're gonna see. Those look like some pretty sexy cats, so hopefully a fish is wanting to bite. What is going on with this pole here? So a fish is definitely messing with it because I see the line's going slack. It's going a whole bunch of which ways. It's going slack again. Got one. That didn't take long. That actually didn't take long at all. That's actually pretty good. That took probably, this feels like not a bad fish either. Oh, I'd say 10 minutes is all. This actually don't feel like a bad fish. He just went slack. I don't know, maybe he bit and I missed it, but the line just kept going slack and fish on though. I'm not complaining. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a pretty good fish. Holy cow. That's a really good fish. Oh, that's a really good fish. Catching the catfish from the bank. That's a really good fish. Holy. I gotta get down here. This is not a small fish. First fish and it's a good one. Holy. I don't know just how big yet, but we're gonna find out. Oh, it's like, oh my gosh. Oh, come here, buddy. Oh my God. That's like almost. Got him. Look at that. That's a good fish too. Oh, come on, bud. He's freaking out on me. First fish, 10 minutes in, and it's not just a fish, it's a good fish too. from the bank. Look at that. That's probably about a 6.5 pound fish. It's got a good head on it. That was a really good fish to start off. Didn't take long at all. Probably about a 6.5 pounder, I'd say. You know what? I won't complain if we keep getting fish like that and that quick. I'm gonna go down here and release them. That makes me happy. That did not take long at all. That was maybe 10 minutes. There he goes. Fish number one, not just a fish, a dang good fish. Let's keep that action up. This might be a pretty good day fishing. Keep that up. Well, canoe, I don't know what the heck that thing was. Just came right over the line, so we're gonna see if that affects it. Not much you can do about it. Pretty popular place here for recreation and all that. Let's hope for another fish though. This is the way to catfish when it's hot out. With the air conditioning on, looking at the poles, sitting in the truck. As good as it gets. And catching fish. I mean, one fish. We're gonna see if there's more though. Well, I saw both this orange and red pole get hit, but this one still got bait. Send it back out. Well, I thought I saw this one get hit. No bait. I don't have a lot of bait left, but I'll just have to be conservative. It is ridiculously hot out. I've already had to switch the camera battery 3 times because it keeps overheating, and it's 7 o'clock in the afternoon. So you'd think it'd be cooled off by now. And I am sweating. It is very humid. Hopefully a fish bites any minute now. Well, it's been about 45 minutes now. We just got that one fish. A couple of small bites, but that's it. Hopefully, now the sun's going down a little more. Fish are moving more and biting more. Still got about another 30, 40 minutes fishing, probably about 40 minutes fishing. All right, y'all, it is pretty dark. Hopefully you can still see me, but just caught the one fish. I was really hoping to get more, but just didn't work out apparently. Got a couple bites, But that first fish, it came right away. I mean, that was the first 10 minutes, put the line in, and it was a 6.5 pounder, so that was pretty nice. But otherwise, that was the only fish you got. Got videos every Friday at 2 p.m., so check that out. Make sure to like and subscribe. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. Maybe I'll be there by the time this video's out. I don't know. But I'm really close, and 1,000 subscribers means I need to make money. I need money. So anyway, wrapping it up. See ya. Bye.